How are you? Nice to meet you, man. My name is Jose.
Nice to meet you.
You pay cash or credit card?
Card.
Okay, this is $60, okay?
I know. Yep. Perfect.
Okay. You try unlock?
Yeah, I tried to. Yeah.
This piece is...
Yeah, that one was already broken. It's
Okay.
been broken. Yeah, don't worry about that. I know. We have that at the shop. You did it already?
Yes, I'm ready.
Whoa. Let me grab the card right here.
No. 1 second, 1 second. One second. For send the receipt, email or you need your sign, please?
I'm not worried about receipt.
No receipt?
Nah, you're good.
Thank you so much, okay?
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Have a blessed day.